we all have that one sin that we're struggling with. Everyone, 100% of us. Minor or major depends on the different people. But we all have a sin or two or more sometimes that we're struggling with. We know, hey, you know what? I need to get rid of this. I need to do this to please Allah and get rid of this to please Allah. To please Allah meaning to get to a level where I feel I have a better relationship with Allah. I know what's right and wrong. We all have these things because we're human beings. There's no exception. Nobody can stand up here today and say, you know what, I'm cool, man. There's nothing I need to do that I don't do, and there's nothing I need to stay away from that I don't stay away from. No chance, no chance. If there is any one of you here like that, see me later. May Allah grant you goodness. May Allah help us to get to a point where we feel we're doing much better. But